Hello and welcome to our last week of lessons. So we've been talking about weather, and this last week is about severe weather. So we've already talked about some severe weather. So some of you have talked about tornadoes, hurricanes when we talked about our weather facts. So like I said, we just are touching just the surface of these topics just in the last week that we have. So you can see I'm standing in front of St. Adolphe, the sign in St. Adolphe. I did drive out there tonight. Till right now, it's very windy. It's not raining yet, but there is some severe weather being predicted for lots of Manitoba today. So there's prediction of thunderstorms. They haven't hit yet, but if you can see, the skies are getting a little bit cloudy and dark. But like I said, nothing yet, but the rain was supposed to start at 6:20. It's now 6:40, so the weather's not following the predictions of the map. But why did I drive all the way out to St. Adolphe to see some rain? Well, I'm trying to catch a thunderstorm. There was one last night overnight, so at 3:30 in the morning I got my camera, but it was dark and I couldn't think of anything creative to say. So I'm gonna try and catch a thunderstorm for you safely, right? Because remember, extreme weather is quite dangerous. So the reason why I drove out to St. Adolphe is not only are there thunderstorms predicted tonight, there's also tornado watches. So I've driven to St. Adolphe because there's a tornado watch. Do not do that. That's quite dangerous. There's no tornado yet. Like I said, the wind is picking up. So the prediction is it's mainly southwest. So St. Adolphe, and basically I think all the towns from here all the way to the border, Winkler, Morden, Steinbach, Lorette, some of you I know live in that area. So there is a tornado watch tonight for these areas. So for the future, when you hear that, you shouldn't drive out to these places like I did, but I know I'm safe. The rain hasn't hit, and when it does, I'll go back in my car. So the interesting part is that there are thunderstorms predicted tonight, but if you get the right atmospheric conditions, those thunderstorms can also produce tornadoes. So that's why there's a thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch here for St. Adolphe and southwestern parts of the province. They're predicting, I think, probably soon in the next hour or two, and then into the night. And with this thunderstorm, they're projecting winds to gust up to 120 kilometers. That's faster than we're allowed to drive. You can feel right now the wind is picking up as I talk. So they're predicting 120 kilometer winds and possibly hail the size of a baseball. So it could be quite dangerous if they really do get the thunderstorm and the tornadoes that they are predicting here tonight. So like I said, I'm going to go back in my car and I'm going to be safe, but I just wanted to drive out because I've been following the weather, and there is severe weather, not just thunderstorms, but tornado watches for tonight. So this video you're not going to see for another week, so we'll see what actually developed. I'll give you one last look at the sky. It looks kind of pretty, right? It looks kind of pretty, but if you can see, there are kind of some interesting clouds. So like I said, I'm trying to do my best. So that's the clouds that are above us right now in St. Adolphe. No rain, no thunderstorms yet, but we'll see what happens. So like I said, watch the news, but be careful. Do not go into storms, and if there is a thunderstorm, when thunder roars, goes indoors. So be safe around the thunderstorms, especially tornado watches. So we'll keep an eye, and I'll see how it turns out in St. Adolphe. Bye.